Hello students, welcome to 8th Standard Scholarship class of 3rd Language English in paper number 2 for Marathi medium students.
In last video, I have told you the syllabus of English subject of 8th Standard Scholarship for Marathi medium students. Today, we are going to learn here how to find out the words or answer with given clues. To solve this question, you should have some tools of studies. First, you should have enough textbook knowledge and general knowledge related to English subject from 5th standard. Then, you should have rich vocabulary. Then, collect more and more words with meanings. When you are facing this question, read the question very carefully. Then, read the options also carefully. Then think deeply and find out the correct answer. Okay? Take down these all points in your notebook. Now, we will see some examples. Okay? See, read the first question or example with me. Choose the correct option. If the word bread is related with butter, then cup is related with ... verb. Once again I am going to read the example. Choose the correct option. If the word bread is related with butter, then cup is related with ... verb. Now, what are the options? First, fever. Second, headache. Third, cold. And fourth is water. Okay? आता बघा, ब्रेड and butter हे शब्द एकत्र येतात. तसंच black and white, up and down. These pairs are called aromatic pairs. यावरून तुमच्या लक्षात येईल कफशी रिलेटेड कोणता शब्द येईल? आपण म्हणतो कफ and cold. Okay? So the answer is cold. Now, we will take the next example. Read the example with me. Guess the name of occupation by reading the words knife, grinder, pans and mixer. What are the options? You should read the options also carefully. First is artist, second is cook, third is mechanic and fourth is tailor. Now, if you read above words again, knife, grinder, pans and mixer, these all words are related to cooking profession. So, the answer is cook. Okay? Let's another example. Here, again read with me this example. Earth, Mars, Jupiter are called ... Now fill in the blank. This is the question. What are the options? First, rounded stars. Second, solar system. Third, planets. And fourth is super planets. आता बघा, अर्थ म्हणजे काय? पृथ्वी. मार्स मंगळ. ज्युपिटर गुरु. हे सगळे काय आहेत? बरोबर, ग्रह. ग्रह याला आपण इंग्रजीमध्ये प्लॅनेट म्हणतो. Planets. So all are planets. So answer is third option, planets. ठीक आहे? Let's see fourth example. Read this example with me. Lion is called the dog of jungle. ठीक है? The options are first lord, second king, third emperor and fourth knight. You have learned about the lion from childhood. सिंहाला आपण जंगलचा काय म्हणतो? राजा. Yes, so the answer is king. Okay, next let's see one another example. Tigers are ... animals because they eat the flesh of other animals. What are the options? First, omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous, fourth, ant eater. Okay, आता बघा, omnivorous, carnivorous, herbivorous हे शब्द तुम्ही मागच्या इयत्तेमध्ये शिकलेला आहात. डायनासॉरचा धडा होता की नाही तुम्हाला? In that lesson you have familiar about these words. आणखी क्लू काय दिलं तिथे? Because they eat the flesh of other animals. Flesh means mutton. मटन खाणारे. So they are called carnivorous. So the answer is carnivorous. Tigers are carnivorous animals. Okay, for practice, let's take examples. Now read this example with me. A person who offers his or her service without any payment is called ... What are the options? First is pioneer, second serviceman, third worker and fourth is volunteer. बघा, हा जनरल नॉलेजचा प्रश्न आहे. जनरल नॉलेजवर आधारित आहे. यामध्ये अ पर्सन हू ऑफर हिज और हर सर्व्हिस विदाउट एनी पेमेंट असं म्हटलं. हा क्लू या ठिकाणी दिलेला आहे. आणि अशा लोकांना, फ्री मध्ये सर्व्हिस करणाऱ्या लोकांना स्वयंसेवक, in English they are called a volunteer. So the answer is volunteer. ठीक है? Let's take one another example. Read this example. A dog was making ... sound because it had an injury to his leg. आता ऑप्शन काय? First happy, second painful, third comfortable and fourth painless. What is the clue here? The dog is making ... sound and clue is because it had an injury to his leg. Injury याचा अर्थ जखम. जखम झाल्यानंतर तो कसला आवाज काढेल? अर्थातच painful. So the answer is painful. Now the last example we'll see here. Read with me. Which of the following pair is not correct? बघा, हा प्रश्न पुन्हा वाचा. Which of the following pair is not correct? What are the options? First, Flora and Fauna. Second, hide and seek. Third, here and there. And fourth is flesh and food. आता बघा, यामध्ये चुकीची जोडी कोणती आहे? ह्या आधीच्या जोड्या सगळ्या एकमेकांच्या सोबत येतात. लास्ट जोडी काय आहे? फ्लेश अँड फूड. तर यामध्ये फ्लेश अँड ब्लड असं म्हणायचा प्रघात आहे. रक्त मांसाची नाती असे शब्द वगैरे तुम्ही ऐकले असतील. सो द आन्सर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्लेश अँड फूड. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? आय होप all of you will take all these examples in your notebook and do the practice how to solve writing words with given clue. Okay, all the best.
Thank you for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to Asha EduCamp channel to get exciting educational videos regularly.